Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make and can some sweet corn salsa. To start off, you want to cut up some peppers. I'm just using some sweet baby peppers, but you can use any type of bell pepper. The more color, the better, I think, because it looks prettier. But you can use green peppers, of course. So I used, like I said, a mixture of different peppers. I use different colors of bell peppers. I also doubled this recipe, so you want 3.5 cups of peppers. And then you're going to cut up an onion. Make sure it's red. It doesn't have to be red, but it's prettier. So just go ahead and finely chop some red onion. And then once you have all the peppers and everything cut up, put them on the stove on a kind of low simmer and just kind of brown them a little bit. And then you take about 3.5 ears of corn, or about 3 ears of corn, and just decob it. And yep, there it looks like. And just go ahead and add that to the pepper mix that's on the stove. And then in a separate container, you want to put some apple cider vinegar, some water, and a cup of sugar in a pot, and just bring it to a boil. And then you want to go ahead and add it to some hot sterilized jars. And just kind of pack it down a little bit. You want a 3/4 inch of headspace on the top. Let's keep packing it down a little bit. And then you're gonna scoop in the hot sugar water or something. Make sure you put it in slowly, because I completely overfilled the jar and it ran all over the place. You can see. And then go ahead and put the lids on. Make sure you kind of wipe down a little bit on the lid. It's the proper seal. And then put the band on top. And then once you're all done with all the salsa, or the relish, whatever you call it, just go ahead and just put it in a water bath canner for 15 minutes in the hot bath. And then there you go. Just make sure that after they're done canning, you let it sit for 24 hours untouched. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. And don't forget to share and subscribe and all the wonderful stuff like that. And I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye.